Is there a limit to how far humanity can go in the universe? An invisible barrier that no technology can break? The answer will reveal why we might be doomed to remain trapped in a tiny cosmic bubble, and why our ambition to explore the stars might be just a cruel illusion. Imagine you're in a prison, but it's no ordinary prison. There are no bars, no walls. You can walk freely, but there's something invisible preventing you from going beyond a certain point. The more you try to escape, the more you realize that the very laws of reality conspire against you. That's humanity's situation in the cosmos. We dream of exploring distant galaxies, colonizing alien worlds, becoming an intergalactic civilization. But there are fundamental barriers that can make these dreams impossible. These aren't barriers we can break with more technology or more money. They are limitations written into the very fabric of the universe. Stay until the end, because I'm going to reveal what the true limit humanity can reach in the cosmos is and why the answer might. Destroy all our dreams of space exploration. The journey through the limits of human ambition begins now. The fundamental cosmic wall. There is a law in the universe that is absolute. The speed of light, 300,000 kilometers per second, seems fast. It's devastatingly slow for cosmic distances. The closest star is 4.2 light years away. Even traveling at the speed of light, it would take us over 4 years to get there. Andromeda Galaxy, 2.5 million years. The mathematics of impossibility. But here's what's really cruel, according to Einstein. Nothing with mass can reach the speed of light. As you accelerate, your mass increases until it becomes infinite. This would require infinite energy. It's like trying to push a wall that gets heavier the harder you push. Time as an enemy. Even if we could travel at 99% the speed of light, a trip to the galactic center would take 26,000 years. Entire civilizations would be born and die during the journey. Everything you know would have vanished by the time you reached your destination. Human fragility, and there's an even more fundamental problem. Our bodies were shaped by billions of years of evolution on Earth. In deep space, we are pathetically fragile creatures. Cosmic radiation destroys our DNA. Microgravity causes our bones and muscles to atrophy. Psychological isolation can drive us insane. But perhaps technology can save us, or perhaps it will reveal even more terrifying limitations. The promises of engineering humanity has always relied on technology to overcome limitations. Nuclear rockets that could take us to fractions of the speed of light. Generation ships where thousands of people would live for centuries. Hibernation to skip travel time. Artificial intelligence to replace us in exploration. The brutal reality of costs. But here's what nobody tells you. An interstellar mission would cost trillions of dollars, more than the GDP of entire countries. It would require decades or centuries of planning and political stability that humanity has never demonstrated. The sustenance problem for long journeys. We would need 100% efficient life support systems. Recycling every drop of water, every molecule of oxygen. A 0.1% error would mean certain death. We can't even do that yet on the International Space Station. The existential question, what if we modify our bodies to survive in space? What if we transfer our consciousness to machines? Would we still be human, or would we become something completely different? But perhaps there are even deeper barriers we haven't even imagined. If you're intrigued by the limits of human exploration, subscribe to the channel now, because what comes next will reveal the most terrifying barrier of all. Leave a like if you're managing to visualize our cosmic prison, because what I'm about to reveal about the true limit will shock you. The cosmic Great Filter. Perhaps there's something even more sinister. The concept of the Great Filter, a barrier that prevents all civilizations from expanding very far. Where are the aliens? Why is the universe so silent? Inevitable self-destruction. Perhaps every civilization that develops advanced technology eventually self-destructs. Nuclear weapons, environmental collapse. Runaway, artificial intelligence, perhaps technology, is a fatal evolutionary trap. The impossible scale. Even if we overcame all obstacles, the observable universe is 93 billion light-years in diameter. Exploring a significant fraction would be impossible. We would be like ants trying to map all the continents of Earth. Cosmic loneliness, and as the universe expands at an accelerating rate, distant galaxies are moving away faster than light. They are disappearing from our reach forever. Our exploitable territory is shrinking every second. And now, the final revelation about how far we can truly get. Humanity's true limit, after analyzing all the physical, biological, technological, and economic barriers, the answer to how far we can go is devastatingly clear. Physically, we are limited to our solar system and perhaps a few nearby stars. Biologically, our bodies are unsuitable for long journeys. Technologically, we are still centuries away from viable solutions. The cosmic prison. Humanity's true limit isn't a specific distance, it's a cruel combination of factors that keeps us trapped. We are like prisoners on a cosmic island, surrounded by an ocean of impossibility. The humbling reality, perhaps our destiny, is to remain confined to a small bubble. Around the sun, perhaps our machines will explore for us, but we will never leave here. Perhaps galactic exploration is just science fiction, a cruel fantasy that prevents us from accepting our cosmic insignificance. The truth about our limits, so how far can humanity go in the universe? The honest and brutal answer is, not very far. Maybe a few moons in the solar system, maybe Mars if we're lucky. Perhaps one or two nearby stars with robots. But distant galaxies, exotic worlds, alien civilizations may forever remain beyond our reach. If this revelation about our cosmic limits impacted you, leave a like so more people awaken to our reality, and share with those who need to face the truth about our cosmic prison. See you in the next video.